So this is just a how-to on how to remove carpet. So what we've got in here, this is quite a large room. So if I was to take out this whole carpet in one go, and obviously it was just myself here, it'd be quite heavy. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut this into strips. So if I cut like roughly about metre strips, I can then roll that up, and it's really simple to take out. So grab your Stanley knife out. So that's now your cut done all the way through. And then what I need to do now is I just need to get a little chisel just so I can get under it. So I'm going to get my little chisel in the corner there and just release that. And what you can then do is just roll that up. You see there where we've not gone quite all the way through? If you then just grab your Stanley knife back out, I'm just going to make sure that I'm going through a bit more. So if I roll that back a little bit. Just to make sure that's all the way through now. I think you can agree that's a little bit easier to lift rather than this whole carpet. Off to the skip I go.